In this short tutorial, I will show you how to log out of your Discord account on your phone. Logging out of your Discord account is important if you want to keep your account secure or if you simply want to switch to a different account. To get started, open up the Discord mobile app and then tap on the back arrow at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Now you'll see the Logout option. Go ahead and tap Logout. Then tap Logout one more time to confirm it. By following these simple steps, you can easily log out of your Discord account on your phone whenever you need to. Remember to always keep your account secure by logging out when necessary. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.